Next we are discussing problem based on multiple and submultiple angles. Here cos of 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a is equal to tan of 45 degree plus a. Tan of 45 degree value plus a. Then consider LHS part. Consider LHS. That is cos of 2a divided by 1 minus sin of 2a. Consider LHS part. Cos of 2a divided by 1 minus sin of 2a. Here is equal to cos of 2a can be expressed in the form of cos square a minus sin square. We know that the formula cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square divided by 1 minus sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Here a square minus b square form. A square minus b square is equal to, here formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b 1 bracket, a minus b 1 bracket. That implies cos a plus sin a is 1 bracket. Another one is cos a minus sin a, another bracket, divided by 1 can be expressed in the form of cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 cos a into sin a. Because multiplication is there, we can change this one. Here first bracket cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a whole divided by a square plus b square minus 2ab. This can be written as cos a minus sin a whole square. Here cos a minus sin a whole square, cos a minus sin a, one gets cancelled. That implies cos a plus sin a divided by, here one term is cancelled, cos a minus sin a will get. Here cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin. Divide numerator and denominator by cos a. Then we get 1 plus tan a whole divided by 1 minus tan a. In a previous derivation we clear this concept. Here cos a get cancelled, sin a divided by cos a, tan a. Here cos a get cancelled, 1 minus sin a divided by cos a is equal to tan a. Here 1 can be expressed in the form of tan 45 degree plus here tan a divided by 1 minus, here 1 value is tan 45 degree into tan a. We know that the formula tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Here already we proved this one. Here tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Result. In place of a 45 degree is there, in place of b a is there. That implies here is the result is tan of 45 degree plus b. That is RHS. Here consider LHS. Cos of 2a divided by 1 minus sin of 2a. Cos of 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Here 1 can be expressed cos square A plus sin square A, and A square minus B square form, A plus B, A minus B. Here A square plus B square minus 2AB. That implies cos A minus B whole square form. Then here cos A minus sin whole square, 1 get cancelled, divided by cos A minus sin A. Dividing through numerator as well as denominator by cos A, we get 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 minus tan A. Then 1 can be expressed tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. That's introduced tan 45 degree into plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree value is 1. 1 into tan A value is tan A. Here 45 degree is tan 45 degree value is 1. That implies we know that the result tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Applying this one, we get the result tan 45 degree plus A. Okay. Here next problem is sin of 3 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta. Again consider the LHS part. LHS sin of 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus 2 cos theta. Here we know that the sin of 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by 1 plus 2. Here divided by, here is the cos of 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Here 2 into cos 2 theta formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here formula given problem is sin of 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Then take it as a sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Here sin of 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and 1 plus 2 as this cos of 2 theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by 1 plus multiplying 2 minus 4 sin square theta. Then in the numerator side take sin common. Here sin, we can take sin theta as common. We get 3 minus 4 sin cube. Sin is taken, then sin square will remain. Sin square theta divided by, here 1 plus 1 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Sin square theta remains in a denominator form. Here 3 minus 4 sin square theta, 3 minus 4 sin square theta get cancelled. We get sin theta in RHS form. That is RHS result. Here very simple problem. Consider LHS first. Sin of 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Take LHS. Applying the formula. Sin of 2 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 1 plus 2 cos of 2 theta formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then upper term as it is 1 multiplying 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus into minus 2 into 2, 4 sin square theta. In upper side, we can take sin theta as common. Then 3 is remaining minus 4. Here sin cube. Sin is 1 sin is get outside. Then 4 sin square theta is remaining. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta get cancelled. We get the result sin theta. It's a RHS. Here, next problem is cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. Here cos raised to 4 theta, consider LHS. That is cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta. Sin raised to 4 theta. Here cos raised to 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square. Cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Here this is converted into a square minus b square form. A square minus b square. We know that the formula, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Another bracket is cos square theta minus sin square theta. First, cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta. That can be expressed cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square, because here m square whole square is equal to m 2 into 2. Here, that's why here cos raised to 4 theta written as cos square theta whole square minus sin raised to 4 theta sin square theta whole square. Then it comes under a square minus b square. As formula is a plus b into a minus b. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Its value is 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, that implies cos square theta minus sin square theta. Sin square theta. Here we know that the formula cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Applying this result as cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta. That is RHS. RHS plus. Okay. Here next problem is 1 minus cos 2a divided by sin 2a is equal to tan a. Consider again LHS part. LHS. That is 1 minus cos 2a divided by sin of 2a. Sin of 2a. Here 1 minus cos 2a can be expressed as 1 minus 2 sin square a whole divided by sin of 2a. Sin of 2a is 2 sin a into cos a. Formula 1 as it is minus as it is. Cos of 2a formula can be expressed as 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a divided by, we know that the formula sin of 2a is 2 sin a into cos a. That implies here 1 minus into plus minus into minus plus 2 sin square a divided by 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, then that is equal to 2 sin square a divided by 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin square a divided by sin a. One sin is cancelled. That implies sin a divided by cos a. Divided by cos a. Sin a divided by cos a is equal to tan a. That is RHS result. That is RHS. Here, prove that 1 minus cos of 2a divided by sin 2a is equal to tan a. Consider LHS part. Then 1 as it is minus as it is. Cos of 2a formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Then applying the given result, we get RHS is tan a. So here it's very important one. 1 minus cos 2a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus sin 2a is equal to tan a. Consider the LHS part. 1 minus cos 2a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus sin of 2az. Here we are applying 1 minus, here 1 get cancelled. Apply 1 minus 2 sin square a cos of 2a formula plus sin of 2a then divided by 1 plus cos of 2a formula is 2 cos square a minus 1, because we can use two different cos 2a formula, because here 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. That's why we can choose two different formulas. Plus sin of 2a, here that's equal to 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 sin square a plus sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a divided by 1 plus 2 cos square a minus 1 plus 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. That implies 2 sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a divided by 2 cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. Then in upper side we can take 2 sin a as common, 2 sin a as common, remaining here sin a plus sin a plus cos a, sin a plus cos a, because 2 sin a is common, remaining sin a plus 2 sin a is common, remaining cos a is remaining, divided by 2 cos a is take common, 2 cos a, then here cos a plus sin a, here sin a cos a get cancelled, remaining 2 sin a divided by 2 cos a, that's 2 get cancelled, that implies that is equal to sin a divided by cos a is tan a, that is RHS result. Here very important result is LHS 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. Introduce here cos 2a formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Here because plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, cos 2a value is 2 cos square a minus 1, because here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. You can choose two different formula remaining belongs to cos of 2a. Then remaining here simplification process, we get tan of a from LHS to RHS. Okay. Here prove that sin a plus cos a whole square is equal to 1 plus sin 2a form. Again consider LHS part. LHS, that is sin a plus cos a square. Sin a plus cos a square. We know that the formula a plus b square form. A plus b square form is a square. Here a square means sin square a plus b square value is cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Then sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a. Here it's from a plus b whole square form. A square plus b square plus 2ab result. Then we know that is equal to sin square a plus cos square a value is 1 plus 2 sin a cos a. Already we know that the formula 2 sin a cos a is equal to 1 plus sin of 2a, that is RHS. Here LHS is sin a plus cos a whole square. Consider, then apply a plus b whole square form, that is sin a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that sin square a plus cos square a value is 1. Here remaining 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a formula is sin of 2a. Here these are two very important problems. Here consider the LHS part. LHS, that is sin a plus sin of 2a divided by 1 plus cos a plus cos of 2a. Cos of 2a result. Here is equal to sin a as it is plus sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a whole divided by 1 plus cos a plus cos of 2a formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. In a remaining side, here sin a is take common in upper side. Sin a is take common. We get 1 plus 2 cos a. 1 plus 2 cos a divided by, in a numerator side, take cos a common. Cos a is take common. We get 1 plus 2 cos a. 1 plus 2 cos a. Here 1 plus 2 cos a, 1 plus 2 cos a get cancelled. Remaining the sin a divided by cos a. We know that sin a divided by cos a is equal to tan a. Here consider LHS part. We can take sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Here 1 as it is, cos a as it is. Cos of 2a formula is 2 cos square a minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then here sin in upper side sin a is take common. 1 plus 2 cos a divided by, here in a denominator take cos a as common. 1 plus 2 cos a. 1 plus 2 cos a, 1 plus 2 cos a get cancelled. Then sin a divided by cos a, we get exactly result tan a, that is RHS. That is RHS. Similarly, we can prove cot a divided by cot a minus cot of 3a plus tan a divided by tan a minus tan 3a is equal to 1. Here take LHS. Cot a divided by, cot a can be represented as 1 divided by tan a minus 1 divided by cot 3a represented as cot of tan of 3a plus tan a, this term is as it is, tan a minus tan of 3a. Take LCM, cot a divided by tan 3a minus tan a divided by tan a into tan of 3a. Here tan of 3a minus tan a divided by tan a into tan 3 plus tan a divided by tan a minus tan of 3a. Tan of 3. Here this term goes to upper side, cot a into tan a into tan of 3a whole divided by tan 3a minus tan a plus tan a divided by tan a minus tan of 3. Here cot a into tan a, cot a into tan a, cot can be represented as here, that implies 1 divided by tan a into tan a into tan of 3a whole divided by tan 3a minus tan a here reciprocal this one, here tan minus is taken common, minus tan a divided by tan of 3a minus tan a. Take minus here, minus taken common, then plus into minus tan of 3a minus tan a. Here tan a get cancelled, remaining tan of 3a divided by tan of 3a minus tan a minus tan a divided by tan of 3a minus tan a. LCM is base is same, then upper side is add. Tan of 3a minus tan a divided by tan of 3a minus tan a. Let's cancel. We get the result as 1. Here cot a represented as 1 divided by tan a, cot 3a represented as 1 divided by tan 3a. Take LCM, tan 3a into this side, tan a into this side. We get here tan a into tan 3a multiplied to cot a, then cot a tan a. Cot a expressed as 1 divided by tan a get cancelled. Here very important one, tan a minus tan 3a, take a minus common, we get minus of tan 3a minus tan a. Then here base is same, add upward term tan 3a minus tan a divided by tan 3a minus tan a. Here these two are same, we get result 1, that is RHS.